The NJV Athens Plaza has completed the renovation of its 33 classic business rooms. The newly renovated classic business rooms are the ideal choice for business and leisure travelers. The project was designed by Airtec and implemented by Diolkos Development. Offering even more comfortable overnight stays with 33 new, fully renovated rooms, the NJV Athens Plaza attracts business and leisure travelers to stay at a hotel that meets all their needs. The room renovations were completed at the end of March 2024, according to the hotel's initial announcement. Our focus is always on meeting the needs of the modern traveler, whether it's for business or family vacations. We aim to provide a more comfortable stay in a refined atmosphere, said General Manager Vana Lazarakou, adding, "With the completion of this wonderful renovation of the 33 classic business rooms, I want to assure all our distinguished guests, both returning and future, that we will continue to achieve new goals." The cost of the project amounts to €2.5 million. Project design, Airtec. As part of the gradual renovation and upgrade of the NJV Athens Plaza, the construction company Airtec has studied and supervised the complete renovation of a total of 33 rooms, transforming them into a modern, welcoming space for luxurious living with fully updated facilities. With the goal of maintaining the timeless and classic character of the hotel, the interventions were made in such a way that modern elements were introduced, ensuring that guests always feel welcome. In addition to the comforts offered by the rooms and suites, their elegant design enhances the warm and refined atmosphere of the spaces. The soft, earthy tones of the oak paneling, wallpapers, walls painted in bright colors, and the warm shades of the wooden floors, timeless and eco-friendly material, create a sense of tranquility and luxury. At the same time, the bathrooms feature impressive marble finishes, emphasizing the cleanliness of the space and creating harmonious contrasts with color variations between light and dark shades. The new rooms are equipped with modern technological and audiovisual equipment, a fully automated and controllable lighting system, new technology aluminum frames with thermal break and energy-efficient glass, and excellent air conditioning, providing well-being and comfort in the space. Airtec has paid particular attention to ensuring that the architectural design and decoration of the rooms are in harmony with the suites, the presidential suite, as well as the common reception areas, lobby, cafe, restaurant, and meeting rooms. All these areas have been studied, decorated, and constructed by Airtec, following simple geometric lines that convey a sense of understated luxury with meticulous details and modern elements. About NJV Athens Plaza. NJV Athens Plaza, a member of Preferred Hotels and Resorts, is located in the center of Athens on the historic Syntagma Square and has been offering high-level hospitality services since 1980. With a brilliant history of over 40 years, NJV Athens Plaza welcomes guests from all over the world, providing unparalleled hospitality and services in modern rooms and suites. It features 159 rooms and 21 elegant suites, decorated with particular finesse and high-quality amenities. The meeting and event spaces are equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and can accommodate all types of events such as conferences and business meals. It is close to the metro, trams, buses, and trolleys. Start your day by enjoying the rich breakfast buffet at the Parliament restaurant. After a long and busy day exploring the wider area, the Explorers Bar Bistro offers an unforgettable culinary experience with authentic Mediterranean flavors from its a la carte menu, along with excellent wines, wonderful desserts, and cocktails. When you want to meet friends or enjoy the city's vibrancy, visit the Plaza Cafe in the hotel's lobby. Enjoy excellent desserts, ice creams, wonderful coffee, and a wide selection of food.